Year 393 BC was a year of the pre-Julian Roman calendar. At the time, it was known as the year of the consulship of Poplicola and Cornelius. The denomination 393 BC for this year has been used since the early medieval period, when the Anno Domini calendar era became the prevalent method in Europe for naming years. Events. By place Greece, the Athenian general Conon and the Persian satrap Pharnabazus sail to mainland Greece, where they raid the coast of Laconia and seize the island of Cythera, where they leave a garrison and an Athenian governor. Pharnabazus dispatches Conon with substantial funds and a large part of the fleet to Attica, where he joins in the rebuilding of the long walls from Athens to Piraeus, a project that had been initiated by Thrasybulus in the previous year. The construction is soon completed and Athens quickly takes advantage of its walls and its fleet to seize the islands of Syros, Imbros, and Lemnos, on which it establishes Claruches. Fighting breaks out in Corinth between the democratic and oligarchic parties. The Democrats, supported by Argos, launch an attack on their opponents, and the oligarchs are driven from the city. These exiles go to the Spartans, based at this time at Sicyon, for support, while the Athenians and Boeotians support the Democrats. In a night attack, the Spartans and exiles succeed in seizing Lechium, Corinth's port on the Gulf of Corinth, and defeat an army that comes out to challenge them the next day. Macedonia. Amyntas III, a great-grandson of Alexander I, becomes king of Macedonia following the disorders that have plagued the country following the death of the powerful king Archelaus I in 399 BC. Egypt. Upon the death of King Nepherites I, two rival factions fight for the throne, one backing Muthis, son of Nepherites I, and the other supporting Samoths. Samoths is successful, but he only manages to reign as king of Egypt for part of the year. Hathor overthrows his predecessor, Samoths, as king of Egypt, claiming to be the grandson of Nepherites I, founder of the 29th dynasty. By topic literature. Aristophanes' play, a new comedy called the Ecclesiazousa, is performed. Births. Deaths. Nepherites I or Nefererud I, pharaoh of Egypt.